Si Palito. Yan, ito pagkakurus. Siya pagkakurus. Happy to the chorus, ano? Muna nagkanta sa Silpi. Ako. KJAS. KJATA! Money in the selfish way. Watch lang po yung meron pa kaming video. KJAS. Meron pa kaming video.
Maunang nang lood ganina kay wakatog mo.
I-post pa dyan eh.
You know that sounds like
Peace album. When I had nothing. Take me to every morning, 'cause all I wanted was to pretend. 'Cause now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. I know it hurts.
ay pagkakumula sa
I'll be the first to say that.
Kaya ito si
Oh, I'm not much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know.
Ako ang host.
I hope if I your powers, I hope we hold your hand, taking it on each other. When I had the change, chicken to the party, 'cause I remember how you loved to dance. Ooh, I think I should have done when I was
Nagklap ng ilong.
I think I should have done. How was you?
Ang naka-green hip hop sa kanto. Ay. Ito si Jasper Heraldino.
Ako ang host nito.
Siya si Sen Heraldino.
Hi, my name is Andrea.
Si Andrea Brulana.
Ako po yung pinakayaba. Ito po yung grupo namin, KG Sa. Ito po yung group namin na KG Sa. Please watch our more videos. More videos pa na ibibigay namin sa inyo at mapapasaya kayo. Thank you. Thank you for watching and thank you. Please like and comment.
Ito ang tig-video namin. Director to. Yan ang magaling mag-video dito sa amin. At magaling mag-post sa YouTube.
At please watch us.
At siya si Kenneth Geraldino.
Please watch Bangkal video selfie song by KG Sa. Thank you. Bye-bye.